Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing R2 with issue 63 here. We have some more parts. Looks like more dome panels. So let's get it open. Let's see what we got. All right, here are the parts we get with this issue. We've got 2 more dome panels, the dome top ring, the dome top disc, 2 more curved pieces of double-sided tape, 2 straight ones, and these things they call dome fixing spacers. Not sure what these are for. We're not actually going to be using them in this issue, so we'll go ahead and set those to the side. You will also need the dreaded super glue. Now this actually is some of the last steps in the instructions, but I'm going to do it now. Hopefully it will be dry by the time we get to it. But basically you have the top ring here, and you've got your top disc. You can see the 2 posts, the 2 holes. They fit together just like that, and you have to glue this ring in place. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Wow. Excuse me. And hopefully it will be dry by the time we get to it. Okay, with that glued, we're just going to go ahead and set it to the side. And we'll pull out the dome. All right, for this, with the ones we've already completed, with the panels we've already installed, sitting at the top, we're just going to continue clockwise around the ring here with these 2 slots. So we're going to want some double-sided tape on this rib and this rib, as well as the curved ones connecting those 2 holes. All right, with the tape put in, it should look like this. We're going to take the backing off the tape and install those 2 panels. And there you have it, 2 more panels sitting pretty on the dome. Now we're going to bring the ring back in here, and you can see it's got the 6 lugs, 6 holes. Basically, we'll just line it up as best we can. There we go. And it should fit flush. Now, this is just a test fitting. This thing will not actually be installed and screwed in just yet, but we can see that it does fit quite nicely. And that completes this stage. All right, stage 63 is complete, and this dome is, it's looking incredible. It is looking absolutely amazing. I can't wait to see what's next. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.